Supper Wednesday, let's get cooking. From skillet to plate, just take a look in.
Hello folks, welcome back. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. We'll start off, me and Carolyn, Dan, we're all feeling a little bit better now. It sort of, as one person had put on there, it sort of lingers. It does. You think you're getting better and then start right back over again. But anyway, today, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be having pulled smoked ham. Now we're going to be doing this in the oven. It's 23 degrees outside right now. I'm actually starting this the night before. I've never done pulled ham like this before, but we're going to give it a try and see how it turns out. And we'll let y'all know how it turns out. Now, we got this ham here back right before Christmas. They had a thing out here, if you spend over $35, you got them for 99 cents a pound. So we got this in here. It's right at 10 pounds, 9 pounds something. But anyway, we're going to turn the oven on at 225 degrees. We're going to use a roaster. Feel free to use a tin foil pan and just cover it tightly with foil. But this is going to be real simple. Hopefully it turns out real good. Let's give it a try. Alrighty. Now, I've smoked a bunch of pork butts and everything. This is the first time, like I said, we're doing a ham. And let me grab this shug. For the rub that we're going to put on it, there we go, can you see that? It's hickory brown sugar. It's not got a whole lot of salt in it. I'm thinking where this here has already been cured and cooked with the salt, probably need to balance it out a little bit with some sweet. We've got a Coca-Cola. We're going to pour some of that in the bottom for liquid. About half a bottle. So around 10 ounces. Okay. Stove ain't sitting quite level. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of liquid smoke down in the bottom there also. And as far as the liquid, we'll probably put just a little bit of water. Heck, as far as that go, I may go ahead and just pour the rest of the Coke in there. Why not? Like I said, I ain't never done one of these. I just don't want to dry out tonight. We're doing this here. We'll probably be eating a little bit early tomorrow. I've got to go to the doctor. Didn't go to the doctor for the sickness, but this doctor, he won't call in a refill for you there. Oh well. Now what I'm going to do, and this here, I'm just going to do this like I do a pork butt. I'm going to put the mustard on here. That'll be the binder. You won't taste the mustard, but it'll help hold on the rub. Get that all down in there good. I hope this turns out real good. In my head, it's going to turn out good. My head's been wrong before, and it should. Alrighty, putting gloves away. Let's grab this here. Sprinkle this all over it. And then probably about the last hour, we'll show you that part there. We'll put on a little bit of barbecue sauce. All right. Now, that there was it. We'll throw the top on. We've done got the oven preheated to 225. Set this in there and let it do its magic. Alrighty folks, this here's after 10 hours in the oven at 225. Now, we're getting close. It's about 190 right now. We're going to shoot for 200 to 205. While we got it out, we're going to go ahead and moisten it up here. You got a turkey baster or a spoon or a cup. Just cover it up there. Now, normally I wouldn't leave one out sitting like this here. What's the old saying? If you're looking, you're not cooking. But that's all right. We're the daytime here now. Won't be long, we'll be eating. We'll show you the finished product. I'm going to actually here get some of the barbecue sauce out that we're going to be using on it. I believe it's a Stubbs barbecue sauce I got this time here. We'll take a look here in just a second. Just moisten it up good there. Set this off to the side. Alrighty, we'll pour a little bit around on through here. Let it drizzle down along the sides. This is what we're going with this week. Like I said, this here, it should have a lot of salt in it. We're just sort of balancing out the salt with the sweet. I may be completely wrong in my thinking. Usually am. Now we'll place this back in here. We'll set the timer for about an hour and we'll check it. See in a little bit. Alrighty. Now all together, we've let this cook 11 hours. Temperature come up to 203. I went ahead and closed it up there. And seems to be juicy. We'll let it rest here for just a little bit. And then we'll see if it pulls. Hopefully it does. Alrighty, let's try the bone here. Oh yeah. Pulled off the bone good. Set these to the side. And it's still a little bit on the warm side. But we'll see here how it's going to be. Yeah, I believe it's going to pull. Oh yeah, look at that there. Now we'll get it all plated up and we'll have them do a taste test. See how pulled ham is. Like I said, we've never tried this before. I thought it sounded good in my head. I've looked, other people's done it and they said it's good, so let's give it a try. Alrighty folks, here it is. It pulled up pretty good. We'll let them give it a try. Because I'm going to be honest, my taste ain't the best. It ain't really been the best since 2021.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Pretty good. Alrighty folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Take care. Oh! Happy New Year.
Yep.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We'll have something there for New Year's Day for you there. Put a post or something up. Alrighty, let's wrap it up. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe. Watch out for the idiots out there.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.